Hey you all, salam alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new here, my name is Shamsa. Welcome back to another video here on Sincerely Shamsa. In today's video, I just want to share how I edit my YouTube videos, the type of apps that I use to edit my YouTube video. Want to know what I'm talking about? Be sure to watch the full video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and make sure you leave me a comment down below of what type of app you use to edit your YouTube video if you're a content creator. This app you can use for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. But this is a very nice app. I love it using this. You can use it if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android, and you can use it on your laptop. Before we get too far into today's video, I just want to cover a little things about YouTube. I wish I knew before I even started a YouTube. First of all, I have a video out already here on my YouTube channel that talks about YouTube in general, my YouTube journey, and why you should start a YouTube channel. If you would like to watch that video, I'll have it linked down in the description and also in the cards above. But guys, in that video, I also touched on the equipment. I bought so many equipments when I started a YouTube, thinking that those equipments will help to boost my YouTube channel. Little did I knew that it would not help. YouTube is one of the hardest platforms to get monetized, to grow. It takes time. You need a lot of patience to work with YouTube compared to TikTok. First of all, I bought a ring light. I bought this ring light when I first started a YouTube, and I barely use it, guys. I'm not even using it right now. I'm using natural light to film my video. I also bought a camera. I bought this Canon Mark III G7X camera. This was one of the first things that I bought, thinking that, you know, this would help me to grow my YouTube channel. It would look, my videos look all nice and stuff, and people will love it, blah, blah, blah. No. It didn't work. I bought this camera for like 700 something at that time. I bought it from Best Buy, and guys, it just didn't do it. I don't even film. I barely film on this camera. When I use this camera is when I'm like filming cleaning videos, or sometimes when I vlog outside. I barely use this camera. I'm always using my phone. Like right now, I'm using my phone to film this video. So don't spend your money to, you know, start up your YouTube channel, because sometimes YouTube can be so frustrating that some people quit. It's a good thing to invest in your channel. Like right now, I have a tripod. I bought this tripod from Amazon. It is extendable and everything. I use this, like, you know, not for outside, like really good. I can make it small, I can extend it, so it's very good. Instead of, like, you know, holding the camera or my phone like this, the tripod is very helpful. There is also a mini tripod you can invest in. I think it's like $20 or something on Amazon. You can even get it on from Five Below. Below has some nice tripods too, so you can check out over there too. Just something for a starter, you know, before, you know, you get monetized, and then later on, if your channel picks up, you know, you can be able to get all the fancy stuff. But anyways, let's get back to what the video is about, how I edit my YouTube videos. So guys, I use a an app called CapCut. CapCut is one of my favorite. I wish I knew about this app way before I started YouTube. I think it's a new app. I don't know when it was created or something, but I really love it. You can use it on your TikTok, like I said. You can use it on Instagram for the reels. You can use it on Facebook. You can even edit videos on CapCut, and it's all free. They even have templates that you can use, you know, like, you know, to, you know, make your videos look all aesthetic-y and stuff. It's all free. I love the CapCut app. You can download it on your MacBook, or I don't know if you can download it on desktop, but I know that you can download it on the MacBook. You can go on the App Store and download it. You can download it on your phone. Just type in CapCut. Love this app, y'all. So I'm gonna open up the app. Once you open the CapCut app, this is how it looks. It might look a little different if you're using the phone, but basically it has the same stuff. You can create an account or no account, but when you want to start on a project, you're just gonna click on create project. I also use this to edit my thumbnail pictures for my YouTube videos. Once you open up the app and you click on create project, you end up with a screen like this, and you're gonna click on import. You can import videos, audios, or images. So we're gonna click on that plus sign, and then we're gonna go on downloads. I'm just gonna use a little clip here. Right there, this is a clip that I did for my TikTok. So I'm just gonna drag it down here if I like it. I'm gonna put it there. And let's say, for instance, I don't like this, the beginning. I want it to start here. I'm just gonna drag it and then click on the split, delete this, and it's gonna start off from here. If I wanna add some text to it, you would have to click on here where it says text, and you can make your own text, like default text, or you can go on over here, text template. They have very nice text template. I love theirs. I always get like inspiration from the ones they have. Some of them are a pro, meaning that you would have to pay, but I just go for the free ones. They have really nice ones. You can just, like, they have tons of it. We're just gonna use that right there. You can drag it down here if you like it. Just put it over there, and it's gonna show in your video. If you don't like this text, you can change it. And you can also put stickers, like if you wanna put like, click here or subscribe, you can just put it on top of it if you want, or you can put it down here if you want. You can put the bell up here if you want. They have even sounds from the audio. Some audios are copyrighted, some are no copyright, so that's something you have to look out for. But I use their audios here, the sounds, especially for, like, you know, when it says like the bubble sounds, it makes, like, you know, like whenever a text shows up, so like it kind of alerts the viewer, you know, there's something on the screen. You can type that in. Transitions, like, you know, how you want, if you want to add, like, you know, fancy stuff, like, let's see, if you want, these are like pro, the ones that have the pro, that's money. I always go for the free ones. So if you want to swipe left, or there are free ones anyways, you just have to look through it. And then captions, you can put in English or Arabic. This you have to pay for. You have to pay for that. But I used to have it before. It's very nice. It can also do captions for your voiceover, which is very helpful. And then you can adjust the filters, the audios. Once you're done, you're just gonna click on export, and it will save it to your file, and then you can download it on YouTube. I mean, you can upload it on YouTube. But it's pretty easy. I really love it. I also love to use iMovie. This is only on Apple devices. I have a MacBook. Or if you have a phone, you can use it on your phone also, which is very, very nice. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. So this one, the same thing. Again, you would download your videos or whatever onto your device, or if you're using your phone, you can just, you know, click on create new movie, and then you would just drag it down here, you know, like you just drag it down here. If you see, so still trying to figure out, but you just drag it down here. I'm still trying to learn how to use this MacBook, y'all. I bought it recently. But anyways, you just drag it down here like that. If you don't want the sound, you can just click on you can just click on here, modify mute audio. That's gonna modify mute audio right there. That's gonna take away the sound for that video. If I don't want, like, if I want to delete this part, I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna go on edit, modify, split, and then if I want to delete this other part, split clip, and then I just delete. And right there, so it's gonna look like one long clip. That's how it is with this iMovie. It does have backgrounds if you want to put backgrounds. It does have transitions, which are free. They got the ripple, they got the zoom right here, cross zoom. I love using the cross blur. But anyways, you can put it wherever you want to put it in your video, and it would do that. You can put titles right here. They have so many options. This one right here. You get to see it before you even put it in there. Or this one right here. You can put audio. It does come with like some free sound effects, like those are free. Yeah, it comes with free sound effects. They have animals, sports, work, home, booms. Anything that you want is free. You don't have to, screen record on YouTube, And then this is my media. This is where all the videos that you downloaded into here, you imported into here would go. And you just kind of drag it down here, whatever you want. Then after you're done, you're gonna click on this thing right here on the top right corner, the share button over here. And once you click on share, you're gonna click on export file. It's gonna save it into your computer. And then you would go on YouTube. Once you go on YouTube, you're just gonna click on upload, and you're gonna upload your video, and that's it. So that's it. Those are the two apps that I love, the iMovie and the CapCut. I did used to use another software called Power Director. Power Director is a bit complicated. The iMovie is easy, and the CapCut, I can't even say it, the CapCut is super easy too. You can download it on Android or on Apple devices if you have it. It's super easy. I love both of these apps. I use it to edit my videos. Sometimes I don't even use my laptop to edit videos. I just use my phone. The only time I would be editing videos on my laptop would be when when the video was long, when it's like a cleaning video, or when it's a vlog like the one I posted, a grocery shopping vlog. It is long, so I just download it onto my laptop and I just edit on there. Sometimes I would use the CapCut, or sometimes I use the iMovie. But I hope that this video helps you if you're new to YouTube, or if you already know about this. I hope that you find it useful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to share the video and subscribe for more. If you guys have any other apps that I'm missing that you can use, let me know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my other video. Bye.